It's 17 degrees. Those temperatures do tumble. Once we get into the evening hours, we're right around 11 degrees. At least the snow shower action really starting to come down. All this action with this massive system causing some big problems for travels out there.
Is that the Renaissance Center in there?
It'd be tough to navigate in this. This is from Detroit. Looking at the pictures now, tough to even pick out where those buildings are, obscured by all the snow that continues to fly around and again continues to get blown around as well. So that's a spot that will be dealing with some issues if your flights are already canceled. Again, many cancellations out there already, so definitely a day to check with the airline. Here's how the radar looks at this point. You notice what we're finding here across the northern tier, a lot of the snow, and then farther south, the southern half of the system, that is where we have, well, the rain issues at this point. Let's get you into the northern half now. Snow still for you across sections of New York State. If you're trying to work your way along the thruway, working on into Massachusetts here, not going to be a very fun ride as you're dealing with the snow coming down in bunches. Southward along 95 now, you'll run into some freezing rain. That's what we're dealing with in and around New York City. Then you run into just rain, southern New Jersey, around Atlantic City. Still, it's a chilly rain nonetheless, and it'll slow you down just a bit. There's a few lighter showers there for you right around the D.C. and Baltimore area. You'll start to see your conditions improving as we head through the late morning. Snowy conditions, Chicago, we showed you the issues around Detroit. Lower Michigan along 75, that's not going to be a fun ride either. Still a few light snow showers in and around St. Louis. And then we run to the rainy side of our system here, right along the southeast coast. Earlier we had some lightning strikes. We've seen that decrease, so it's weakening as it heads east. But nevertheless, a wet ride along 95 through the Carolinas down into Florida. Now, you know, a blast of snow and ice hit the home of Sunday's Super Bowl on Tuesday. KXAS TV shows us that the winter weather only dented, not crippled, activity.
Like this tent, the Super Bowl host committee's dreams of a warm Super Week collapsed when a frigid storm brought ice and snow to North Texas. 4 NFL events were postponed, but the show must go on.
You know, it hasn't really affected any events. Everything is going off smoothly. Media days happening out at the stadium, just as scheduled.
Emergency weather plans have been in place for weeks.
If there was a massive snowfall, or if there was a really debilitating ice storm that were to hit, we had extra snow plows and extra sanding equipment at our disposal.
Dozens of poker players braved the weather for a chance at the World Series of Poker.
Came in from Wiley. It was pretty bad coming in. It was pretty slick in spots. 30 was all right, but getting to 30 was pretty bad.
I think the weather probably scared a few people away. This is the Texas State Poker Tournament, and it is the predecessor to Aces and Angels Salute to the Troops.
And this week's first big party will go on as planned.
We've had no cancellations at this point, so that's a good sign. No cancellations of media coverage, no cancellation of stars or celebrities, no cancellations of attendees or ticket holders.
Well, more wild weather, also a huge issue right now in Australia. Homes near the coast of Queensland are at risk from a powerful cyclone. Officials went door to door to urge people to evacuate. Many are heeding the call, especially in the town of Cairns, where it could be hit directed by cyclone. And officials say communications have already been lost with little problems. 275 miles off Queensland coast. Winds and waves are already on the rise. Boy, I see this thing turning its way up here. There's a satellite image. There it is.
Jesus! Yeah, that's a willy.
Making its way on in. And the radar picking up to the band now moving over to out of Australia. There'll be a left time there in one area that does not need any more.
Jeez, seems like Perth never gets any rain.
To work our way into the lower 48, and here we're dealing with all the issues with the rain as well. We're going to be tracking that across the southeast coast. Good news is it's moving further quickly, so it's not going to be a major headache.
You don't actually just fall in.
On the side,
it's fine now.
When it comes to this massive storm, we've got businesses closed, schools too, drivers
Apparently it's sold tree, Chris, and capitalized.
Oh no, that's just my fault.
They kept on showing that a couple times.
We are 14th in line for takeoff.
I'm surprised the anchor people didn't laugh.
Hey, traffic.
Yeah.
Enjoy the journey on Amtrak, now serving 500 destinations.
Never been on
Book
Enjoy
today
the
at
journey.
Amtrak.com.
Beer and wine and cupcakes. I was doing the corporate grind like everyone else. But to be successful and you don't have to be different. I mean, I love that card. It does things differently too. Great customer service, going above and beyond to help me out as a small business. It's accepted in twice as many places around the world as American Express. And if I ever need to give my employees e-card, they're free.
Make your mark with Buick. Chase what matters. Go to chase.com/.
High top. Little
more energy efficient is something the whole world can get in step with. Eco-imagination from GE. It's technology that makes the world work.
Did Dad go to Jared for the Pandora bracelet like we told him? I can't tell. Oh, honey. He totally went to Jared.
Celebrate life's unforgettable moments with Pandora, now in Jared.
Oh, they're so cute at that age.
Jared, the Galleria of Jewelry.
Do you suffer from aches and soreness? If unnatural posture causes problems, sleep easy with Total Pillow for total comfort. Total Pillow adjusts its shape to support and align your head and spine. Twist Total Pillow into a back support for the computer or while driving. Double the support while watching TV. Supporting your neck, ankles, knees, anywhere you need total comfort. Total Pillow gives double the support for the plane and locks on your suitcase. Only Total Pillow has 5 support pillows for neck, spine, lumbar, shoulder, and leg support. You also get a total compress pack for hot compresses, cold compresses. As a bonus, we'll double your order. Just pay separate processing and handling. 2 total pillows and 2 compress packs of $50 value for $19.99. Also ask about our jumbo total pillow.
To order, call 1-800-815-2213. That's 1-800-815-2213. Call now or order online at TotalPillow.com. This offer is not available in store.
Wake up with Al and your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 on the Weather Channel.
One morning is back tonight, Wednesday, as the lake rises about 6 inches and waves to 14 feet pound the shoreline.